Beautiful young people of the Gambia, how are you? My name is Musufing or Auntie Musufing. If you call me Musukoye, I will leave. How are you all? So why are we here today? Do you understand why? What was the weekend that just went by? What was significant to Africa about the last weekend, 25th of May? Africa Liberation Day. Welcome,
We say that we are liberated, but my friend, don't let nobody fool you. We will never be liberated unless Africa don't have all of these borders. African liberation, African liberation, African liberation, African liberation, African liberation. God bless you people, God bless Mboka, God bless St. Augustine, God bless St. Joseph.
School education, the best among the rest. Faith in life. At first, you feel free to imagine. This imagination brought up three things. Imagine me sitting with you on high, not leaving behind the blind and the disabled. See, every president has a story. So hurry, because at the end of the day, they will sit and say, we are sorry.
Who can volunteer to tell us what colonization is? Anybody? How many people do you have in the hall? 800, 1,000? Any volunteer to tell us what colonization is? Colonization is when one nation of people subjugates another nation of people for the purpose of exploiting their resources, that is the land and the people, whereby the dominating entity enforces its language, its culture, its beliefs upon these people who were subjugated and erases as much of their culture as possible. To make colonization possible, the colonizer uses particular methods, and some of them are dehumanization. Dehumanization is where the colonizer enforces the idea that the subjugated people are less than human, they are uncivilized, they're closer to animals, they're barbaric, they have no knowledge and no culture, and they need saving. Because this makes it easier and more acceptable to colonize them and perpetuate violence against them. It makes it more excusable and acceptable.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. My view to Africa and the Gambia is, Africa we have to be united. Yeah, that is what I believe.
We must fight what divides us and ensure that we are united as one people. Pan-Africanists are telling you, you the people, you are the owners of power. You don't need people acting on your behalf. You take charge, but you must have knowledge to be able to take charge. Africa is extremely rich, and the Pan-Africanists said, as far back as 1957, when Ghana became independent, that what the Pan-African Congresses started is what must be continued. Africa must be united. Africans were taken from this continent, taken to the Americas, the Caribbean, and people called them slaves. They were not slaves. They were hostages. Hostages forced to work for others.
But we have hope in you young people, that even if we are gone, this country will change for the better one day.
We'll build a new Gambia, a new Africa, a new world that will guarantee the liberty, dignity, and prosperity we seek. Thank you very much.